Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your HP Victus 16. In order to do it, this is gonna be if you know the password to your system. If you don't know it, then what I would recommend is installing Windows from a USB drive, and there is a video on our channel on it. So in case you want to do it on this laptop, feel free to just watch that video on our channel. It explains everything step by step and also explains how to fix the error, which is the Wi-Fi driver not getting installed by default. So just feel free to watch that video. Although this is gonna be for those who know the password to the account and, for example, want to sell the laptop. So let's get to settings, then go to Windows Update. Now go to Advanced Options and Recovery. Then find Reset PC and click on that. Then you can either keep your files or remove everything. If you select Keep Your Files, it will remove all the apps and settings, but it'll keep your personal files in the folders like desktop, documents, or whatever. And also, sometimes it leaves a HTML file that you can just open in the browser with the list of the apps that were previously installed, though I've noticed that it not always is the case, and sometimes it just doesn't leave it. So I'm gonna remove everything, including the files, to have like fresh Windows in the factory default state. Then you can either do a cloud download or local reinstall, and the cloud download will just download the newest version of Windows automatically and install that. Although I'm gonna click on back and click on local reinstall because it takes a bit less time. Then there is something important in change settings, which is clean data. If you're selling your laptop, I would personally select that to yes, because it'll actually take hours if you select it to yes, but will make the drive fully clean, so it will be way harder to recover files, which means more secure for you. Though I don't want to make it too long, and I'm not selling this laptop just yet, so I'm just gonna select it as no, then click on next. Now after a few seconds, just click on reset and wait. Just don't touch anything and make sure your laptop is plugged in so it doesn't discharge in the process, because if it does, some things may fail, and there is a chance that if they fail, it will be pretty hard to later fix them. And now the Windows was just reset. The process took quite a long time. I expected it to take a bit less. So this is basically everything. You can also watch a video on our channel on how to set it up in case you don't know how. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.